It's December 1st, and that means Vlogmas season. I am so excited about Vlogmas season. I'm so excited about what you are getting ready to witness. We will be doing an unboxing, so stick around. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Cindy, the LD Educator, and today we have a special guest with us.
Hi, it's me, Mr. LD Educator.
Yeah, right. Well, Jason is going to help me kick off Vlogmas this year, and we have a special lot of electronic here today that we would like to do.
So whenever I'm on the channel, you know, that means we're dealing with a new product, and typically we're doing a review of a product, but today we're actually doing an unboxing of a product. So if you know us and you follow the channel, or at least the times I get to be on the channel, you know, we went crazy. We went crazy last year over the Amazon Echo. It turned out to be something that we were first against and absolutely love for our home. I think now we have 4 of them.
Yep. Matter of fact, if you have not checked out that video, I will link it above, but it is the Echo 3rd generation that we did an awesome review in.
The Echo Dot.
Oh, the Echo Dot.
3. Yeah,
3.
You're good.
3rd generation.
Yep.
Okay. So anyway, we did 9+ ways that we actually use it, and we're going to be updating that video soon too.
Yes. So today we are unboxing our new family member to our Amazon family here at the house. And so, are you ready?
Oh, you didn't tell him what it was.
Oh, I'm gonna tell them as I open it up.
Oh, so it's gonna be a surprise?
It's kind of like a surprise.
Oh,
I guess
it
they
is
probably
Christmas.
They did kind of read in the comments, maybe, so they already know.
You guys already know.
Okay.
Well, listen. What's not a surprise too? Do you guys love our ugly Christmas shirts or sweaters? Happy New Year.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's why I can't have this dude on the channel. Come on, let's go.
Llama, red pajama. No? Anyone? Okay. So in the box today, as you see in the thing below, we have our brand new Amazon Echo.
It was actually just shipped too.
Literally just shipped.
Literally,
today.
yes.
So. All right. Boop, boop, boop. So this is our Amazon Echo Show 8.
Woo-woo. And so this is kind of like an alternative to Google Nest Hub, which I also got last year, and I love it. Matter of fact, I use it in my classroom.
So here's the thing about the Show 8 that you need to know. So a lot of people say, well, what's the big deal? They got a Show 5, they got an Echo Show. So the Echo Show is the big boy. It's like over $100-something bucks. It's kind of pricey for us.
Did we get it on sale?
We got this on sale. This is the Show 8. So let me explain.
Okay.
So the Echo Show is a really, really big one. So then last year, earlier this year, they came out with the Echo Show 5, which it's a 5-inch screen. So then this is kind of the mid-range. It's the Echo Show 8. It's an 8-inch screen, about the size of those little smaller tablets, right? Mm-hmm. And so here's the deal. One of the complaints that they had about the 5 was that they said that the 5 sound wasn't that good, even though you could see everything or whatever, it was supposed to be better. But the 8 is supposed to be a much improved sound quality with all the features of the show. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. You get all the stuff that people loved about the show for half the price, and you get stuff that was upgraded from the Show 5. So it's kind of the mid-tier car. So we didn't get the compact, we didn't get the huge SUV, we got a crossover.
I actually drive a crossover.
See, there you go.
There you go.
So this is our Amazon Alexa Show 8, and you want me to open it up?
Yes.
All right.
Let's dig into it.
So, comes in this fancy boxing.
Yes, it is nicely packaged.
Look at this
This is actually a cool inside of the box.
Look at this. Look at this. It has a little Amazon logo here. How
nice
cool
branding. Nice branding.
So the thing that you see about it, now look at the screen size. The screen size is actually really, really, really nice.
Now, you know what? At some point, I think I'm going to do a comparison between the Google Hub as well and this. What is it called again?
Google Home, and this is the Amazon Alexa Show.
But this screen is like a mega mama to my Google Hub, okay?
Yeah.
Like my Google Hub is probably...
Yeah, but they have a bigger one. That's why I said they're all... So that's the thing. They're all competing on trying to see what size. So all of them have different sizes.
I got an old version now.
Okay, so here's a tip. So right now, we got this on Black Friday. So on Black Friday, they had this on sale for $79 on Amazon. We actually had a credit because I did an Audible deal, so we got like $15 off of it. So
this is why I married this dude.
So Audible has a deal that if you sign up for Audible, you can get a $15 credit, which is what we did because I needed to read a book anyway that I was going to buy. So I got the credit that I was able to use on Amazon. So I got this a little bit off. But the Show 5 is $49 and this was $79. And so for the $30 and the improvements that are in this, I would argue you should get the Show 8 more so than the Show 5. Show 5 is a good entry into it, but I figure if you're going to go between the two, it's cool. The one thing that I like about it is, so I was trying to debate because they do have a stand that you can get and it sits on the stand, it sits a little higher, but it's already positioned. For ours, it's going to kind of sit in the kitchen on the counter. Right. It looks like it's already at a proper position to be able to just sit and be able to be used in the little kitchen way. Also comes with the typical Amazon, the Echo charger that we're used to kind of seeing now. And it comes with the little book. And what's cool is it also on the back, it already gives you kind of some tips or whatever to know about the Amazon skills. And so what the Echo does, the Echo has skills. So Alexa, who's our new best friend, Alexa has skills instead of just apps. They're called skills. And so what you'll see is when you start using this or you're using even the Echo Dot, they have skills that she learns or the different apps that you can use through the Amazon Alexa app. And so it's pretty cool to use. We've enjoyed it so far.
Yep.
What else you got to say? Anything?
Pretty much that's it. Yeah. I absolutely know nothing
about
about this. It was a surprise to me that we were actually getting it. So I'm really excited to kind of just dig into it, learn how or learn the different types of things that it does and how we can implement it into our lifestyle.
Yes.
I think that's the biggest thing for me. I like to be very practical with it, a lot of the things that we get. So after we play around with this and use it for a couple of days, you probably will see another Vlogmas video with us actually doing a review.
Can I give them a few tips about this though that I think work better than maybe the Dot? Just a few.
Okay,
give
so
a little preview. These are preview
this is
tips.
a preview, and then I will be able to test these little tips out. Okay, and I'll definitely let you know whether or not he's being honest with you.
Yes.
Yo, who? We have a guest. They were doing so well. Excuse me.
So one of the things about
we're back.
So one of the things about the show that Cindy will appreciate, so this goes perfect with the LD coach, is being the LD educator, I should say, is that, so one of the things that she loved about her Google Hub that she uses at school, the Google Home, is that the Google has the ability to now see the words. So we've trained our girls that if they don't know how to spell a word, they have to go and ask Alexa to be able to spell it for them. But the only downside of just about having the dots is that you can't see them. With the hub, with the Alexa Show 8, you're able to now see on the screen those words as she spells them out. Also, one of the cool things is the video feature in and of itself. And so all the great things about Alexa are there, but now if I am cooking, I love to cook. Don't I cook great?
Oh, he's Chef Boyardee or J-Hop.
See, you were doing good. He said Chef Boyardee. No disrespect to the chef, but I'm just saying, like, SpaghettiOs? Really? Anyway, one cool thing about the Show 8 is that as you're sitting there, say I'm in the kitchen cooking and I'm asking Alexa to show me a recipe, I can actually watch the video of what I'm preparing and cut it up and follow the instructions versus having to grab my phone and scroll back. It'll show me on the screen right then while I'm waiting and preparing the food that I have. So that's one cool feature, to be able to see the things that I'm looking for, as well as not just being able to hear, but I can actually see what's going on or watch a little TV while I'm in the kitchen doing my deal. And so that's all they're going to get for now. I'll give them some more because I have other tips, but we're going to wait until we test them out and say which ones will be our must-go-to tips for the Alexa Show 8. But that's our unboxing video. Thank you for watching our Alexa Echo Show 8 video.
Get it right.
Unboxing. I'm working on it. So we have more to come on that. And if you haven't, we have 2 little friends who are going to tell you what you need to do next.
All right, yes, but before they do that, I would like to say I am so thankful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for the support that you have shown my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so that you will not miss any of the videos that we have planned for you for the next 24 days. It's going to be a lot of work, but I'm going to do it.
All right. So, can we have our little sponsors come in and tell the people what they need to do?
Yes.
Hi guys, it's Christmas Tree and well, if you guys can understand, she said little dimples, but she's little ornament for today. So little ornament, guess what? We have to tell you guys to subscribe to our mom's channel, right? Yeah. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, okay? But anyways, Merry Christmas, or Merry Vlogmas, or Merry Teachmas? For Pete's sake. Merry Christmas!